Hello, hello, hello. I am finally in my hotel room for the quarantine, which I have to do for the next 14 nights. Yeah, I had a very long day so far, but at the moment I'm not really tired. I'm just a little bit hungry. I don't know. Maybe I should just show you around. So this is the door, shoes, and my bathroom. Oh, I like this one. Looks quite good. If you ask me, it's just, yeah, it's a little room. It's nice. I thought I could just place my suitcase there because there's no other space. And yeah, I'm not using this bed, so that's okay. TV. Because some people said it's a little bit dusty maybe, and yeah, maybe later I should do some cleaning, but first I need to find my multi-tissue, my how to say it, wet tissues. By the way, I'm in the Marinabay Hotel in Gimpo, and that's the view. It's a very beautiful view. I love it, and the weather is really awesome, and I'm really afraid the weather might be bad when I get out, but we will see. Yeah, I also got this, I got 2 bottles of water with the hearts, very cute. And this, so I got like a kit thingy with masks, sanitizer, and a thermometer. Yeah. The masks. I like these masks. Finally, I have them. And what else? What else? And thermometer thingy, digital one. Very good. 4 under the armpit. And another instruction thingy in Korean, I guess. Yeah, some Earl Grey. And what is this? Oh yes, coffee. Oh yeah, I will make some coffee right now. You will see. Oh yeah, for sure. Oh, I'm so happy. And of course the Siregi bags. And these. I'm not sure if I'm using these because I think it's a lot of waste. So I will just use my own cup. Yeah, I brought my own cup because it's just so much more cozy to drink from your own cup. Yeah, it looks like this is the introduction whatever thingy guide. I will read this later. And we have a toothbrush, which I will take for sure. I have my own, but sometimes I just don't like to use an electric toothbrush. And I have this. Very good. I'm happy. Yeah, that's basically it. Not much to see here. Just going to clean, I think. Even though I really... Sorry, I really look horrible. I'm so tired. No, not really tired. Let's say my body is exhausted, and yeah, I'm very hungry, and unfortunately we did not get lunch, so we will have to wait until I think 6 p.m. which is still like what time do we have right now? Oh, it's 1:30, so 4.5 hours, I guess, but that's okay. I'm fine with the coffee. South Korea. And yeah, I just got my breakfast. I already had the PCR test, which was, well, different from the test I had in Switzerland. But it's okay, I survived, no problem. And I also wanted to just, yeah, eat a little bit. Sorry, I look crappy, I'm still a little bit tired. And I also wanted to just eat my breakfast with you together and maybe give a little review, because I know I watched many videos on YouTube about the food here. They said it's repeating and stuff like that, and it's cold and not so good, blah blah blah. To be honest, yes, it's not ice cold. Of course it already cooled down a little bit, but I think it's still very good. Like also yesterday it was good. I don't know, I cannot complain. Maybe the people are just like, oh, I want first class food, I want I don't know. Voila. Really, I don't know. I already tried this soup because I saw many people complaining about it. I don't know if it's even soup. Yeah, maybe it's a soup. Like, I think it's a smashed potato soup. It's not warm anymore, I agree, but it still tastes so good. I really, just eating the soup, I really like the taste. It's very good. The texture is really nice. So I really don't know why everyone is so complaining. Oh, it's so cold, so cold, so cold. I don't care. This is all food you can even eat when it's already cooled down. Maybe I eat cooled down food way too often, I don't know, but I like it. I'm not sure about the bacon, but I will try. Usually I eat the bacon very hot, freshly fried, but it looks really good. It really looks good. Okay, let's give it a try. The taste is good. Of course, it's a little bit more chewy, not so crispy. But I'm not complaining. It's good. Also, I like these little potato. Oh wait, how do you call it? It's like a French fry in a smiley emoji shape. It's so cute, isn't it? Hey, when I wake up to this, I can't just be happy, right? Oh, here's also sausage. Oh, it's very cute. So tiny. Look. Okay, I'm German, and you know Germans are very proud of their sausages. So let's give it a try. It definitely tastes very different from German sausages. Also, the texture is very different, but it's very good. I like it. I really like it. So, I don't know. I just don't know. Everyone's like, no, it's cold, it's not good. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know. Oh, I even got small ketchup, tomato sauce thingy, which I definitely will use. But first, let's get the eggs out. Even 2 eggs. 2 boiled eggs. And this looks like salt. Yes. Very good. Very good. I love it. Well, most people think, oh my god, 14 days, not even, it's even 15 days, so 14 nights quarantine is just too long, too much. But really, you should see it in a more positive way, because you're locked up for 14 nights in one room. Okay, one room is not really good. I can open the window, by the way, so that's good. I'm glad. And I can just look outside. I see some boats, and I can see some cars driving, and some people doing stuff on their boats. And yeah, I just can relax. I can make videos for you guys. I can watch drama. I can study Korean. I can do whatever I want and not feeling guilty. Maybe I keep this for later as a small snack. somehow. Okay. Yeah, this should be fine. Fun fact, it says lunch basket. This is not a lunch basket. It's my breakfast basket. Oh, yeah, let's try this out. Tomato ketchup. Ha ha ha! I brought something. But wait, where did I keep it? Maybe it's inside here. I'm from Switzerland, so of course I have a Swiss military knife, and it has a small scissors. Oh, I'm so happy I brought these. Because I always screw up opening it like this because I'm spilling most of it. So I can just cut it open. Oh, I'm so happy. My life is good. Oh, I love my life. Let's try this cutie pie. And some first with or without ketchup? First without. You know how it tastes like? Sometimes my flatmates and I, we go to McDonald's and we get the menus which are on sale, maybe with a coupon. And then we buy so much and we have so many fries because it's always a full menu with a drink, with fries and a burger. And of course, for us it's not possible to eat like 4 or 5 big fries. And the rest we keep in the fridge, and usually it's me who is eating the leftovers next day, like the fries. So I put the fries with some cheese into the microwave next day, and this tastes exactly like this. So I really like it. But I think most people won't like it, but I like it. Yeah, really, I wonder, people are always complaining. I was a little bit scared because I think the food looks on pictures, it looks really, really good. And then I was afraid, like, oh my god, what if it tastes just not good? It's so good, really. To be honest, I mean, I love my flatmates and I'm happy that we are living together, but sometimes I just wish I would live alone. I know that I could never live alone for a long time, but just living alone for 2 weeks is, I think, very good experience. Oh, by the way, I also got a small cake. I will eat it later. Now let's try the rice ball. It looks very good. Some soy sauce would be nice now. But yeah, it's still very good. So this is my review. I love it. And now let's clean up. I should contact some friends. Finally have time to contact my friends. I should stop recording for now. And yeah, maybe see you later.